Welcome back to Crazy Bill's Garage, and been having some funny braking problems on my Ford Freestyle here on the rear brakes. It's been pretty obvious, and there's been kind of a weird sound coming from the, let's see, the right rear here. So I'm going to take a look at it today and see what I got. So get out the old, what is it? The impact, the best well. Well, that's a 19 mil. I think they're 19. Oh, nope. Two of them are 21s. I gotta get a 21. So this is concerning. I just put this on here and I always check. This one, 21 moves. This one, look at that. That's concerning. Why are those loose? I torque these down. I always torque them down. Okay, let me check the 19s. So it looks like the 19s are torqued down. Watch your ears. I'm going to take these off. Oh, okay. Okay, that was not torqued down. I thought it was. That came off like nothing. This is not. Oh, okay. None of these are tight. That one was a little tighter. Well, this is kind of concerning. I could swear. And I know for a fact I torqued these all down to 100 foot-pounds. And they're quite loose. No, I distinctly remember torquing these. So why are these all loose? What's going on? Maybe that's why this has felt funny. Very funny. Now let me get her off and check the brakes. You see, I bet it's these Dodge rims. These Dodge rims from a Dodge caliper on my Ford Freestyle, and it's revolting. It's saying, nope, I don't want to be on this Ford. Put me back on a Dodge. But I do like the tires. The tires are beautiful. Okay, I'm gonna check these brakes. I don't think I'm gonna find much wrong with these brakes, but let me check. So I have super lots of pad left, you can see there on both sides. So I'm thinking it was just a loose tire. Well, it was worrying me quite a bit. So, this thing had a pretty good wobble start. And I've been driving on the highway. Oh, look at that. Can we say that is a little chafed up? Wow. Emergency brake cables. But, tire's gonna fall on my hat. Got my hat out of the way. Well, there's nothing wrong with these rotors. These things are beautiful. But we did, I think, avoid a bigger problem with that wheel being loose. Just can't believe it was that loose. Well, I'll have to really torque her down. So I'm just cleaning up these lugs a bit with my wire wheel. Hoping, as I see somebody slimed a bunch of anti-seize all over these. Could that be a reason they loosened up? I don't really know. I also cleaned up the mating surface there, which was quite dirty and uneven. So maybe I'll get a true mating surface here, and then I'll torque them. So instead of at a 100 pounds, I'm torquing them at 110 this time. Because a little tire probably wouldn't hurt. There we go. They are all torqued. just going to go around the rest of the vehicle and torque the rest. So you might not believe this, but all of them were loose. And I don't know why. Unless somebody loosened them up on me. I don't see why anybody would have a problem with me. I'm a good neighbor. I'm a nice guy. Well, let me get them all. Well, I don't know if it was me or it was probably me. I think I forgot to retorque the two back tires, wheels. Because the front ones were torqued perfectly. Though I must say the front ones don't have any, what is that stuff? Grease on the wheel lugs. The back ones had a bunch of grease and never sees and stuff on the wheel lugs. Did it make a difference? I don't know. I usually don't put grease. I usually put like penetrating oil on so it kind of burns off when they heat up. Yes, but I'll tell you, when I had this car in for safety, I had it needed two rear calipers, and the guy, you know what, I just had him do it because I didn't feel like taking it home, and it's all I needed, two rear calipers. I got the calipers, he put them on, charged me a little bit, and I think he greased the wheel lugs on both sides of the rear. So maybe that's why they were loose, or I'm absent-minded and I just totally forgot, and I did not torque the back because things happen. Oh well. Hope you enjoyed. Please check your lug nuts. Yes, it is very important. Now maybe this thing won't be wobbling around as much. Thanks for watching.